Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Tuesday, July 13th, 1999, 8 am. In order to establish a true heart to heart, a door of communication needs to open between us instantly. The mind must be able to calm down upon request and leave room for the contact we are establishing. The medium asks, "Is it you who are in me or me in you? How does it work? Is it about a vibratory exchange?" It is much more subtle than what you have said. You can perceive it. That's enough. The explanations would not enlighten you much. Let us remain in the simplicity of these contacts, which currently satisfy us. All these great principles, you will have time to discover them. Live for the present moment. Content yourself with that. The notion of constant remembrance, so badly understood, is not what you think. That is, thinking constantly of the Master. It is about being in complete union with Him through the heart, in greatest confidence and utmost surrender. That is what constant remembrance is. Your heart united with ours, whatever happens. This has nothing to do with your mind, as certain Abhyasis still believe. Quite to the contrary, it is about letting go as well as a state of complete union that is not controlled by the mind. The openness of the heart irons out all misunderstandings. It is a major aspect of your process. Willpower is useful for an unremitting and rigorous practice, but all the rest is achieved in the mysterious meanders of this heart that we keep alluding to. We give you the key to open the secret door of the place where the treasure is. Seek and you will find. Babuji. Tuesday, July 13th, 1999, 10 am. Yes, it is by calming your mind that the union with the Master is achieved. We will never insist enough on this aspect. As I have mentioned above, this union is established through the heart and not mentally. The medium says, "O Babuji, to never leave you even only for one moment, such is my dream." You have made a good progress in that direction. You have made giant strides in that. This has resulted in your body being shaken, but that was inevitable. If one ascends a mountain in double quick time, this necessarily results in the rebellion of the physical body. The medium says, "Use my body and my soul as you see fit. What matters to me is your love. We take account of your frailty. You are made of crystal and we do not want to break you. We take great care of you like a tiny baby." The medium says, "I thank you all of these attentions which touch me deeply. We act with each one of you according to your nature and your resilience. You know that we truly want your good. Who can have as much discernment about your true nature as we, who know you so well? Love us as we love you, and we will be united in this famous constant remembrance. You will manage it. This wave of love which will connect you to us will do wonders." Babuji.